10 lakh rupees is a great saving. I'm glad you started with 10 lakh rupees and I hope you build more of it with your income, which is your active income. 10 lakh rupees can be saved or put a down payment towards a property worth 20 lakh rupees. So if you buy a commercial shop or an office space for 20-25 lakh rupees, you can put your down payment 50%, which is about 10 lakh rupees, which can create rental income up to 12%. That means by investing 10 lakh rupees, you can get 10,000 rupees coming in every month. That's fantastic. If you save this money and create another corpus of 10 lakh rupees or 15 lakh rupees, you will be able to buy another property, and so it goes on, and very soon you'll have an excellent real estate property. So my recommendation, 10 lakh rupees should not go into bank, should not go into FD, it should go into commercial property which creates monthly income for you. Hi, my name is Chetan Kapoor. If you, your friends, your family, your colleagues who are watching this video or is keen to invest into real estate, I recommend you share my number. I will be happy to meet them, take their queries, guide them the right way how to create excellent rental income from real estate portfolio. We are running a successful business called Golden Bricks Real Estate, and me and my team will be happy to meet them and create excellent rental income. You'll guide them how to invest the real estate the right way. So if you're a real estate investor or you're keen to become one, you should definitely be in touch. Comment below and me and my team will call you back.